Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal here. Today we have Epson L4260 printer. Today I'm going to give you a demo about duplex printing. Many my viewers ask me about duplex printer. So this printer Epson L4260 is a duplex printer. Today I will make a demo. This is a demo video about how to use this duplex printing. No need to change anything in the system. Okay, for the sake of argument, if you have any file that has 6 pages or 10 pages or multiple pages, like we have this file containing 6 pages. Okay, so simply we have to do what? We have to press Ctrl P, printing, and you will see Adobe Acrobat reader will show the interface like this. So we have to do here some settings, printer name here, all pages print, fit, and here we have to select print on both sides. I will click print on both sides of paper. This is flip on short edge and flip on long edge. Select any one of these, and now just I will give print command. 6 pages, suppose it will print on 3 pages. I gave command, so it will start feeding now. Okay, it's feeding paper. The paper will come out and it will be reverse. Okay, and it will print on the second side of the paper. The first 2 pages will printed on the, what is this? Why didn't print complete? We'll see the other pages. The second page is not coming complete, so might be there is a setting on this Acrobat reader. We have to Ctrl P. We'll select on print, flip on long edge. Okay, so we'll select this, flip on long edge. We'll select again. Okay, we'll select again. I will give command, 6 pages. Second page is not printing well. There is an issue with that. So what I will do, we'll cancel first of all this, cancel the pages. This is a duplex printer, but maybe the issue is with the Acrobat reader. I will open this file in with my Word, with Google Chrome. We'll try to print from that. See more, select printer, paper size A4, and print on both sides. I selected, flip on long edge. So now we have to enter this pages again. Okay, we'll check now with print. Still same problem. The second page is not printing complete, so might be the issue is with the file or with the application. But this Epson L4260 is duplex printer. If you want to buy a duplex printer, you can buy this L4260.